So whenever we see any artist using any material, any new material that you doesn't have that material, so we also feel like that we should also use that material, but or but that material to buy, it's not easy, and also to use. So before using and if we buy that, before using that material, we see almost 10 to 20 videos on YouTube about that material, how to take care, how to use, and etc. Yes, so in this video we'll be discussing about the kneadable eraser. So I have given one review of the kneadable eraser. So I have made one video on my channel, you can check it, or else you can get the link in the description. So yes, we'll be discussing about the kneadable eraser in this video. That all artists, about 90% of artists use in their artworks, and also many of artists say that this eraser is the world best eraser. Yes, and I also agree that this eraser is the best eraser ever, but all things on the earth has the two sides. So in this video we'll be discussing about the dark side of the kneadable eraser. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start today's video. But let's know my name. My name is Yaj and you're watching interesting channel Art of Yaj. So now let's start today's video titled the dark side of the kneadable eraser. So before knowing the dark side of the kneadable eraser, means the disadvantages of the kneadable eraser, let's know some techniques how to use and how long your kneadable eraser do last. You can use it. Before saying these three techniques, let's know a pro tip. So if your kneadable eraser is something like hard, rinse it under the warm water, and then after 1 or 2 minutes knead it again, so your kneadable eraser will be normal. So yeah, I have given you the pro tip. Let's see the techniques. So second and the third point is very important, so we'll be discussing later. So let's know the first point. You can flatten the eraser so it has a large and flat surface that your area, and then using this to lighten any surface, or to create some shapes. So this helps you to remove less value more evenly from that area that you actually want to lighten. So this is the first technique. So third is very important. Let's see third, second later. So third point is you can shape this eraser into pencil point and use it to lighten specific dots. So this is extremely helpful feature in these eraser, and you can stretch it or shrink it to lighten as a specific dot, as big size dot or small dot. So let's see second point. So you can give the eraser a flat and sharp edge, and use this edge to erase some lines. So by this you can easily erase sharper lines, create sharper lines, or create some shapes also, like square, triangle, or as you want. You can flatten the edges of the kneadable eraser and create some lines and interesting shapes. And how long do the eraser last? So it's all fully dependent on you, on your use. When the eraser loses its malleability and stickiness, and it's time to change your kneadable eraser. uh, yes, it's time to change your kneadable eraser and observe daily. So the main topic of this video, the dark side of the kneadable eraser. Yes, so what should be the disadvantages of the kneadable eraser if when we have these three techniques and one pro tip and all about eraser, but there are some disadvantages of the eraser. By the way, I only have just two disadvantages. If you have any more, comment on me. Okay, so first, kneadable eraser do not erase anything. Yes, kneadable eraser do not erase anything, if you listen this video properly, in last all 3 points I have using the lighten word, not erase. Yes, it doesn't erase the graphite, just lighten it. Okay. Second, after 3-4 years of use, it not also lighten the graphite, as he leaves much more of dust and also some of works. It also not lighten. Okay, after 3-4 years. So these are the two disadvantages. So yeah, that are some techniques and the dark side means the disadvantages of the eraser. I hope this video is interesting and informative. If it is, please do like, share and comment down your some doubts, and also do not forget to subscribe to channel. We'll meet in next video. Till that, happy sketching. So I have given you the review of the Faber-Castell eraser. If you want to check it, click here my tutorial playlist here and subscribe my both channel. Thank you.